Summer is approaching, and the thought of entertaining your kids at home during the hot, sticky days becomes daunting. You start feeling overwhelmed by the thought of coming up with ideas and planning activities, and Pinterest and Google aren't helping. You want to make the most of your time at home without letting it slip by so quickly. You want to create something special with your kids, something that will capture the magic of summer together, but you're not sure where to start. That's where the Creative Haven comes in, a space created for exactly what you need. With the click of a button, you can find easy and accessible crafting activities that are quick to execute so you can focus on what really matters, connecting with your kids and creating meaningful memories together. Picture this. It's a summer feat inside the Creative Haven, full of ideas that will take you through adventuring outdoors, summer celebrations, and trips to the beach. A virtual space for you to experience beauty, creativity, and inspiration while you sip lemonade and eat popsicles and create with your kids on a hot summer day. You open your inbox to grab your beautiful printable activities that were delivered to you earlier that morning. Then you and your kids head over to the table with everything you need, and you're amazed at how simple and fun the activities are. You watch as their hands shape, glue, and paint, and you feel deeply delighted experiencing their imaginations come to life as they create something beautiful and unique with each passing moment. You can't help but smile as you realize that you're not just making crafts together, you're making memories. As you spend the day creating, you feel grateful for the opportunity to connect with your children through creativity. Your perspective has changed from overwhelm to seeing the world around you through the eyes of your kids, full of whimsy and possibility. You realize that it doesn't have to be stressful or overwhelming. And with the Creative Haven, you know that the magic doesn't have to end when the craft does. You'll have everything you need to keep nurturing your children's creativity and creating memories with them that will last a lifetime. Join me today inside the Creative Haven. I can't wait to see what you create together.